Welcome back, all my free thinkers, to another episode of Grow Rich, Grow Happy Crypto Show. I wanted to start this off with the chart rather than ending with it because I'm about to show you guys something. It's a little education in here as well. If you notice right here, Handlepay is currently down 4.9% within the last 24 hours. This is important because some of you that are watching this, you might be in what I call a silo. You only pay attention to your particular cryptos that you are interested in, meaning if it's not your crypto, you could care less. But when you do that, you kind of lose track and sight of what's going on with the entire market. Why that's important right now, because if you look at Handlepay, granted, for me, not financial advice, these are the times where you should be looking at maybe picking up a few, maybe bringing your average down. But there's a bigger story here. Shout out to RAZO, our head of crypto research here. He sent me this. Make sure you follow him down below, guys. Follow his Medium account as well, where he puts out groundbreaking information before anybody else. But his link tree is down below. Mine is as well. Follow us on LinkedIn as well, guys. We're very active over there. But he sent me a message this morning during one of my other shows, the last show. Make sure you catch it. But he sent a text to me. He says prices are down today because they are reporting that Chinese hackers just broke into the Federal Reserve. That's a major story. But you can kind of see why the market is down. I believe stocks is too. Yep, stocks are down too. But these are buying opportunities. I really don't understand how or why people are so emotional when it comes to things like that, and they just run and just jump out, unless you're day trading or something like that. But if you are somebody that believes in buying and holding, then you know that's going to pass. So you look here, guys, I see this as an opportunity again. And the news that I got for you on Handlepay is going to blow your socks off. And I hope what it does is give you a fuller picture on where we're going and why I am so bullish on this asset. So I'm going to come down here. I'm just going to throw $100 in. I had it in, but let's see if it changed. You get roughly 40,016 tokens for $100. Weeks ago, you couldn't have got that. 3 or 4 days ago, you couldn't have gotten that. It was much higher than that. So I look at these times right now and I say, okay, this is the time. So what I want to do from here, I'm going to show you how they've done for the 7 days. If you notice, they was cruising up 21.6% over the 7 day. All of that's cool. But what I really want to talk about right now, and before I actually do that, I want to show you guys one other thing, and then I'm going to give you the updates because I listened to their recent, I believe it's episode number 16 of the Handlepay Hangout session. I listened to it yesterday and I came away with amazing gems. Shout out to Gregor, the founder of Handlepay, and this the amazing team over there, the marketing team. Girl, you're amazing. But I want to show you something right quick. This happened today over on X, and they were live over on OneSwap. Make sure you follow OneSwap as well as Handlepay over on X as well, guys, because this is a Handlepay wall of fame going on right now. It's a trading competition, and every Tuesday for the next 4 weeks, these guys are going to be coming to you. And the objective here is also to get Handlepay to move, but I believe people are trading Canton coins, I believe, and Handle. They're moving a lot. It's a lot of volume and transactions that were made today. So this is just getting started. I believe anybody can take part. If you want to take part, go over to OneSwap and also go over to Handlepay so you can see how maybe you can get in. But for those of you that don't, you're just okay being in the shadows and holding your tokens, then you want to see this again. This is marketing. It's all marketing. So I want to jump somewhere else for you. Jump over here because I want to show you basically what you should be doing right now. I'm going to jump over here to the Handlepay page, and I'm over on their page over on X. Make sure you have an X account. Even if you don't use it, just get in so you can listen to some of this stuff because things happen on X first. And while you're there, follow me and RAZO. Look at our link tree down below. But check this out. So it was a community hangout spaces number 16. I was correct. And that took place yesterday. It took place actually a couple days ago, excuse me, but I didn't listen to it until yesterday. Great spaces, guys. There was 48 minutes long. And let me tell you, it was not a boring moment of it. Gregor, the founder, he was speaking and a lot of questions were being asked by the community and they were answering those questions. Now, with that out the way, we can get over here. Make sure you listen to that, guys, because I took some copious notes, as you know, I always do in these spaces. But there's some things we need to make sure we clear up. I don't believe I misspoke, but in case I did, I'll clean it up right now. So what's going on right now is, you know, the Founders Circle, and make sure you check out that video I posted up here. They have a Founders Circle, and a few days back, I was explaining to you why this was a great thing. It was amazing because they're basically asking the whales, the crypto whales that hold Handlpay, people who got in early, people like myself, RAZO, they're asking, and this is just if you want to take advantage of it, to lock up or stake 3 million Handlpay tokens, and then you're brought into this elite group where you know you can listen to cares and concerns, and you can provide ideas to these guys, better ways to serve the community, and roll out future products. Now, your staking is not going to accumulate you any extra Canton coins or rewards like that. It's mainly to get inside this private group. I have to say that. And when I was listening to Gregor, I could see that he just wants to be absolutely clear with that, because sometimes staking and doing those type of things can cause your project to be labeled a security, and that's not something they want. So he wanted to clear that up. But if you're someone, maybe a whale, and that's something you want to do, you want to lock it up so you can be part of those project. I think it's once a month they're going to have a call with all of the Telegram community. Then you can get in, you can hear what's going on, you can hear about some of the bullish things that are coming up, and your 3 million tokens will be locked up for 12 months. So after that, then of course they unlock. And from what they were saying also, because one of the community members asked, do those people, will they become part of a board or something in the future? And while he said that that's a good thought, it's already kind of looked at as a board, but I guess it's not off the table. Now, with that being out the way, I believe, and like I told you guys in that past video, with enough of these crypto whales locking up those 3 million tokens, what you're really going to get is all of those tokens coming out of the circulating supply, which gives you price appreciation. So if you're someone and you maybe hold like 5 or 6 million, I don't see why it would be a big deal for you to lock up. And again, I'm not in your bags, but I don't see why it would be a big deal for you to lock up 3 million tokens, maybe keep 3 or 4 million out so you can take your profits. You know, we always advocate for taking profits, but that also allows you inside this Telegram group, maybe to bring an expertise that you may have. And I like it because it's saying that they're listening to the community. This project is listening to the community, and they're also benefiting the community by having these whales lock that crypto up. So I like it as a whole. I think it's great for both the crypto whale or the person who just wants to, learn a little bit more about the project, maybe give a little bit of their expertise, loan some of their marketing expertise or whatever to the project. So I like it in that aspect. Now, with that, some of the big news that came out of it from that meeting was Handlpay. They're not building for the average crypto user. They are, and I've said this before, they are building for people who don't understand crypto and don't know anything about crypto, and they just want to send money. And not just crypto. They want to send money like you do with Cash App, like you do with Venmo. They want to be able to send money like that. But the cool thing about it is they don't have to know anything about crypto, because underneath the surface, those fees are going to be used to buy back Handlpay tokens. And as you already know, the burns are coming too. I believe that information is also going to come with the version 2.0. So knowing that they're pretty much going to be a competitor to your Venmo and your Cash App, that puts them in a whole different realm, social commerce, because the difference is you're going to be able to send that money so many different ways. You got Google, you got LinkedIn, you got X, you got Instagram. Being you can send money like that just to a social media handle differentiates them from all of the competitors, and anybody can use it. Your grandma can use it. And Gregor, the founder, has made that apparent 3 and 4 times. Each time I've heard him speak, that's where his mind frame is at, making it so easy that his grandmother or someone like that can use it. That's how you get more usage case. And the fact that those fees are going to be converted into Handlepay tokens, which is going to be burned. That's the kind of tokenomics that I like to see. Basically, they're building for the non-crypto native people. And that's what I got here. So that's bullish alone, guys. That's bullish. Now, here's the other thing. With the version 2.0, they will be having a business to business type deal on there, which will bring in more volume. So with Handlpay'S API, let's just say you run a business, and nowadays when you got businesses, you might have someone that's working over in another country for you doing some contract work. Now you're going to be able to send them and pay them. And this is just how I look at it. You're going to be able to pay them that kind of way, regardless what country they are in, because of the Handlepay 2.0 API. Now, that's different from a Venmo, a Cash App, and all of them, because they can only do it within the United States. This really differentiates Handlepay from the competition. So now, do you see why not only a business will be using them, but how and why a business will want to use them to pay contractors and such? So that right there is another bullish case, and seeing it where it is right now with only 1 billion supply, over half of that is already out. You can't help but get price appreciation. So the 2.0 update, the first version will be releasing by the end of Q3, which is rapidly approaching. Now, once it's released, that's not going to be the finished version, because they're going to be adding a number of other features on after that. What I love about that, guys, as well as some other news, which is the Founders Circle. Now, I was sitting back and I was like, man, just imagine how many people are going to come into this, and that's going to bring more of the crypto supply down. But Gregor mentioned that he wants that to be those numbers of how many of the founders, how many participants are in that Founders Circle. He wants that readily available on their website. That is transparency. Those are the type of things you want from your projects. All of you Handlepay holders out there, this should be music to your ears. It's music to my ears. I'm not touching it. I have not sold 1 dime of my Handlepay. But again, I'm diversified, well diversified, and you should be too. If you want to learn a little bit more about crypto, guys, as well as getting in gems early so you can make some true money, now financial advice, you want to go over to Patreon and become a member of our Patreon page, or members only. The process, it drops every week. Got a new episode coming now, and it's just $10 a month, not a week, a month. You can't beat that, especially with the information that we're giving you and the conversations that you see me and my head researcher, RAZO, have behind the curtain. So guys, let me know, what do you think of all that news? Isn't it kind of bullish for Handlepay and the Handlepay tokens? Let me know down below, guys, what you think, and become a member of the process today. To the next one, this is your boy. I'm out.